This is how you reduce your monthly mortgage payment of your fixed interest rate mortgage without having to refinance or pay any taxes or loan origination fees. If you purchase a property with less than 20% down, most likely you're paying for what's called PMI, private mortgage insurance. You can take this off your monthly payment and save anywhere from $400 to $50 a month, depending on how big your mortgage was at the time of purchase. All you gotta do is meet the following two criteria. First, you gotta make sure that in the last 12 months you paid on time and in full every monthly mortgage payment. Two, you gotta make sure that you've gained at least 20% equity on your property. If you're not sure if you gained 20%, don't worry. All you gotta do is send me a message with your property address and I'll gladly send you for free, no strings attached, a CMA report so you can get an idea how much equity you've gained. With that being said, if you've gained 20% equity, I highly suggest you call your loan servicer and tell them you want to order an appraisal to take off the PMI, your monthly mortgage payments. Once the appraisal comes back, they should be able to take that off your monthly mortgage payment and you did not refinance. All you did was pay for an appraisal, which may cost you anywhere from $400 to $600, but you could be saving anywhere up to $400 off your monthly mortgage payment. So this could be a huge savings for you. But if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out. My name is Bryan Roach, your real estate agent here in Miami, Florida. I'll see you next time.